Hi, this video we're going to show about when your keypad 10 button controller with this version information, MCU version v30 and web version v1.20. When you have this version firmware on the keypad, when you press these two buttons to have it default back to the factory default, then you will have the DHCP IP address. This video we're going to show how to get the IP address when you have it in the DHCP. Okay, so basically now I'm going to default this keypad mixture, and this side is up on the upside, and we'll just press these two buttons. Press these two buttons and hold them until we see the indicators are flashing. Wait about like 10 seconds. Okay, so now you can see we got the lights is flashing up. Then we can release the button, and now we already have this one back to the default setting. Now we just try to log in. At this moment, I think we cannot log in directly with this default IP address, just because the controller, the keypad controller, is already back to a DHCP IP address. That's why we cannot find it. So we just need to use this software, which is a SmartGet UI, this software. But before using this one, and we will need to set up our country PC IP address. Okay, so now we just go to the properties, then TCP IP4. Then we need to change this part. It's going to be 169.254. And this part we can just leave as one or other range is no problem. Then we'll just click OK, confirm, and go back to this Smart GUI. We just click search. Now we found the IP address of the IP controller. Okay, so now we just type this IP address here: 192.254.95.186. Press enter. So now we can log in the controller. Username is admin. Password is the same admin. Login. So we log in, and we can see the version information is still the same. So what we need to do, we need to upgrade it to the latest version. So we just go to the system setting, then scrolling down here, then we got the then here we got the web upgrade. Just click upgrade, then go to this part, and then we have the latest firmware, which is with this version. So web is going to be v1.21. Then click to upgrade. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now it's already a success. Admin, login again. Login. Go to the system setting again to upgrade the MCU. System setting. Then MCU/fail. MCU is going to be v1.06 and upgrade. Then we just wait. Then it will just automatically to restart this controller. Okay, so now we already have the unit upgrade successfully, and we cannot log in with the previous IP address. Now what we're going to do is we're going to default setting of this IP controller. Press and hold these two buttons. Wait until we see the buttons will light up and flashing. Then we can release pressing them. Wait. Okay, now we can release. Then we just wait until it's restart. Okay, now we can just log in. But before logging, we need to make sure, and we already have our PC, the TCP IP4 changed to 192.168.1. This IP range, just because the with the new firmware, this keypad is going to be in default as the static IP address by 192.168.1.254. So this is the default IP address of this controller. So we change the same IP range of our PC. Okay. Then we just go back to the interface again. So now we can just type the IP address 192.168.1.254. 192.168.254. Okay, so now you can see where they use the default static IP address to log in the keypad controller. And we can see the version information here. It's actually the same as the latest one.